Welcome to our Thailand travel. We know how frustrating and sometimes scary it is to prepare an itinerary for a country that you've not visited before. That's why we created this video to set your expectations and to give you some ideas. O tara na, sama ka!
52 chances, let's go. Hey! Pack up the car, hit the road. Good food, big laughs, friends in tow. 52 weekends, make them glow. Oh! 52 chances, let's go. Hey!
Para sa mga first-timers na pupunta ng Thailand or those who are planning to visit, for sure iniisip ninyo what Thailand has to offer. So in this series, we will show you all the different temples and historical sites that you can visit. Of course, isasama natin dyan ang mga Michelin food guide and mga shopping areas. I'll also try to add as much of the pricing as I can para alam ninyo kung magkano babudgetin ninyo pag pumunta kayo ng Thailand. And of course, we're starting with the things you need to prepare bago kayo sumakay ng eroplano. As of writing, Thailand is still visa-free for Filipino travelers. So ang kailangan nyo lang ay ang inyong Filipino passport that's more than 6 months away from expiring, your round-trip plane ticket, and your hotel reservations. Normally, kung meron ka ng mga international travels in the past, hindi ka na masyadong tatanungin ng immigration officer when you go through the gate. And also, make sure that you fill out the TDAC or the Thailand Digital Arrival Card kasi ang hassle kaya ng pagbaba mo pa lang ng plane dun sa Thailand, tsaka ka pala maghahanap ng internet para i-fill out yun. And please, wag kayo magpapabudol sa mga fake sites kasi libre lang i-fill out itong card na to. I'll leave the link to it on the description box below. The flight to Thailand would take about 3 to 4 hours, so please bring any form of entertainment with you, kahit na iPad yan, Switch, or even your mobile phones with movie, just to help you pass the time. If you happen to have booked your flight with Philippines Airlines, hindi naman kayo masyado mabubugnot kasi meron na silang built-in entertainment system sa mga upuan. Also, Thailand is an hour behind sa Philippines, so pagdating nyo doon at hindi nag-auto-sync ang mga orasan ninyo, just move it back an hour. There are 3 ways to get to Bangkok from the Suvarnabhumi Airport. People would normally use the airport rail link kasi nga ang mura na niya at 45 baht. Makakapunta ka na sa pinakamalapit na BTS station in around 26 minutes. You can also ride a bus which will cost you around 60 baht per person. Pero since apat naman kami at pag kinumpute mo naman yung diferensya, halos malapit lang. So sumakay na kami ng Grab which cost us around 700 baht. Which is napaka-comfortable naman kasi syempre kami lang yun nandun sa loob ng sasakyan at tutulungan pa kayo ng driver na ipasok yung mga luggage nyo sa loob.
Nasaan ka ngayon? Papuntang tayo sa bayan na Sawadika. Ito yung hotel namin. And iiwan muna namin siya for the day kasi malayo-layo ang pupuntahan. Yossi area.
We took this video the day after dumating kami. Pasensya na sa continuity error. Sobrang dilim na kasi. We booked the Bangkok City Hotel at 2,700 pesos per night. Bukod sa napaka-spacious ng room at meron pa silang bathtub, meron din silang swimming pool and the place is just 5 minutes walk away to the BTS Ratchathani station. O tara, room tour! Now look at this gorgeous view. On our first night, we decided to go to Pratunam Night Market to get some local food.
Nasaan ka ngayon?
Parato ng night market.
Anong meron dito?
Night market.
Wala talagang ano.
Our first local delicacy is the mango roti for 100 baht.
Na-realize kong mahal. 100 baht pala.
Ano na?
Na-realize kong mahal. 100 baht pala.
Oo, so 200 pesos siya. Tingnan natin, malay mo naman. Ayan na po, niluluto na po ang Shanghai.
Colorado. Shanghai na. Pilipino.
Tapos flip.
Tapos sa labas yung Nutella.
Oh, tapos flip mo. Anong masasabi mo?
I think it's Budol.
Ano na?
I think it's Budol.
Ano ang verdict? So hindi masyado.
But I can do this.
Ano yung ulam mo?
Ang pagkain ko ay coconut noodle soup.
Ito naman yung sa akin. Actually, hindi ko maalala yung name niya. Kasi, Pick Collage lang yung nakasulat dun sa Starchy Gravy Noodles. Yata ito. Kamusta? Masarap?
Yeah, that's unique. That's a unique thing.
Lasa mo naman yung gata. Yung coconut.
Tignan mo.
Ito masarap, promise. 200 pesos worth siya. Akala namin maliit. Pero ang laki-laki ng serving. Pero sobrang sarap ng mangga nila rito. Tara, let's kain ka, tikman mo. Ay.
Ice cream ba siya? Or
Ice cream.
hirap niya kainin?
Mid.
Eh,
สวัสดีค่ะ
On our day 2, we woke up really early to roam around the marketplace close to our hotel for some local breakfast. Syempre para sa full Thailand experience.
Gilid-gilid. Ito, bibili kami ng marijuana. Oh?
And after namin mag-ikot-ikot, napili namin kumain sa King Pet Restaurant.
What's your breakfast?
Crispy squid lang.
Sige.
Crispy squid. Omelette, scrambled eggs, crispy squid.
Pag tayo talaga kinuyog dito, ha? This restaurant feels very comfortable. Parang pinapasok ka lang nila sa loob ng kusina nila at pinakain. And at the price point of 70 baht per dish, sulit siya. I'd have to give it to the Thais. They know how to cook their protein. Hindi gami yung texture ng squid and hindi rin makunat yung pork. And to be honest, hindi ganun kalayo yung lasa sa Filipino food. Very soy-based rin yung karamihan ng food nila. And the people serving the food know enough English so you don't have to use your translator. So it's a bonus. After eating, we grabbed our coffee at Cafe Amazon, which is just across the street. The coffee here starts at 75 baht, which is a very competitive rate considering na ang Starbucks would cost you around 200 to 300 pesos. But in full spirit of transparency, hindi ganun kasarap ang coffee dito sa Thailand. Iba pa rin talaga yung lasa sa Vietnam. Baka hindi lang talaga nila specialty. After that, bumalik muna kami ng hotel kasi nga magpapahinga muna kaming konti at pupunta kami sa mga temple later. By the way, pag nandito kayo sa Thailand, try this biscuit which is called Breakstar. It's actually pretty good. Siyempre, nag-shopping din kami. Welcome to MBK Mall.
Ito na po yung nakabili ng shoes. Patingin. Show it to the camera. Wait lang, pakita mo. Bakit ka bumili ng shoes?
Kasi wala akong dalang shoes.
Take it from me, shoes here are really cheap. It's like half the price ng makukuha mo sa mga outlets sa Philippines.
Dito nga siguro yung mga
Ano na?
parang mamahal. Yung mga
Pero ibang usapan yung pasalubong, may mas magagandang store for that.
ano ano. So, deck shoe.
Tumingin ka rito. Ano binibili mo?
Pwede ba tayo sa temple? Yung ganyan?
Bata.
Ako ba?
Hindi. Ayun, bata.
At tumuloy na nga kami sa lakad. Welcome to Wat Pho Temple. Just a quick reminder na merong 300 baht fee to enter the temple.
We're in Wat Pho. So, sa English, parang ano siya, reclining Buddha. Sabi.
We just went to the toilet.
Ay, pati yun.
And mas malamig pa dun sa toilet kaysa dito sa labas. So,
Naka-aircon yung toilet.
And we are about to enter the Temple of the Reclining Buddha.
So, anong pinuntahan mo dyan?
Reclining Buddha.
Anong meron doon?
Yung Buddha ay pagod.
Kaya,
Kaya naka-recline
uy,
siya.
wag mo sumunod. Diyan na
Bakit?
joke yun.
Bawal sila mapagod?
Hindi, pabawal yun.
So, pwede.
Before going to the next temple, we decided to have a quick lunch. Welcome to 304 Cafe.
Ano yun sa'yo? Pad thai na chicken.
Pad Thai.
Ano ba yan?
Pork fried rice.
Ano yung Pad Thai?
Pero dry lang yung pork, pero masarap naman yung rice.
Manya to.
May pie.
Ano talaga siyang rice?
Dry lang yung rice.
Ito, masarap. May konting sweetness. And spicy.
Ito yung chicken din, no?
May itasang lasang
Puno.
puno.
Maasim. May asim.
Ano tikman niyo?
Yun sa'yo
Parang
ay-
umaga eh.
Pad, ano? Chicken pad kapal. Something.
Ito, tinimplahan mo pa o yan ang timpla niya?
Ito na. Nalagyan ko lang ng lime.
Ang in fairness natin chicken.
Kalaso lang niya yung squid kanina ko na.
And we are off to our next destination. Our next stop, the Wat Arun Temple.
Saan ang ginagawa mo rito at bakit mo ginagawa yun?
Papapawis.
Bakit ka nagpapapawis?
Para tumaya.
At ginawa mo talaga yun sa Thailand. Harap ka dito.
Ano yung daanan nito?
Doon yata.
What are
What is Wat
you
Arun?
know what are you now?
Hotdog. Lumakad ka na para lang may video. Catwalk. The place in your... Ano ba lakad yan?
For our last activity of the day, we're going to Asiatic. We're having a dinner river cruise with Chao Phraya Princess. After dinner, syempre umikot na rin kami sa Asiatic.
Sasakay pa tayo dun sa carousel. Oo.
Pwede naman. Sumakay sa kabayo.
Hanggang ano yan? Anong speed?
60 kph.
Yung hilong-hilong na kayo.
Oo.
Iniikot pa rin kayo. Magandang gabi. Ayan si Camille, sasakay siya dun sa isang ride late na i-video namin.
And that is the end of this week's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. On next week's episode, samahan niyo kami sa Wildlife Wonderland and Pattaya Beach.
Pedestrian po dito, pero hindi sila tao. Ayan po. Mga tumatawid. Sige, nang sugurin tayo. Ayan po, nag-chill lang sila. Baka sasakay. 13 pesos po ang sakay. Ayun. Sakay na. Kasya pa pito.